Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text behind object editing on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and then I'm going to create a new project. And for example, I'm going to edit this video. Okay, I'm going to add text to this video guys. So I'm going to go to the text and then select text, and I'm just going to type in text behind. Okay, like this, and I'm going to change the font. For example, I'm just going to choose this font and I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, like this, and then click on the check mark, and I'm going to make this text align with my video. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to remove the InShot watermark. Okay, and now the text has been added to my video, and we're going to export this video. Okay, hold on. Now the video is being exported, and then we're going to create new project. I'm going to click on create new and then import the video we have just exported guys, and then you can add the original audio, the original video as an overlay. Click on PIP and then I'm going to add the original video, this one, and click on this icon to fit the screen. Then you're going to remove the background of your original video. You can go to the cutout, and to remove the background you can either use chroma feature or cutout. I'm just going to select cutout. Okay, actually you can use chroma feature as well to remove the background, but I want to use this one. Okay, we just need to wait until 100% and click on the check mark. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. As you can see that the text behind object editing has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create text behind object video editing using the InShot Video Editor app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.